Hello and welcome to the second edition of the Economic Times Global Legal Convention 2025. I am Kushi Gupta and I have been joined by Mr. Shrivals Kumar from MyGC Legal. Hi sir, how are you?
Thank you so much for inviting me on the ET Global Convention and Awards 2025. I think it's one of the wonderful platforms on which both the in-house GCs as well as the law firm lawyers come and interact with each other to understand the contemporary subjects as well as look forward to a good discussions on various topics which will be enriching for both the in-house and the external community. Thanks.
My next question to you is, how do you ensure that compliance is not a mere cost but an investment for a long run?
Well, it's a very important topic if you look at anybody who is from the in-house community as a GC especially. Today, GCs are on the main senior management team and some cases the board of directors. Compliance is one of the most important things because the cost of compliance becomes really big in terms of interest, penalty and prosecution. Hence, investment, which I believe are basic like seeds into the system, will give a long results in the long run. When the fruits of success will be, it won't lead to non-compliances. There will be larger stakeholder values for the internal employees as well as the management and the customers at large. So I believe overall, if people invest in technologies and AI, it will lead to a larger output both for the stakeholders and for the company at large.
Any key takeaway from this event?
I think the biggest takeaway I will feel is that in today's world, the digital marketplace is increasing in leaps and bounds. The advent of technology, digital age is on a very high level. So one needs to understand the nuances of laws pertaining to AI, pertaining to digital competition. I think all aspects of law which impact us in a digital world needs to be known by one and all. And one should also keep while learning as well as do knowledge sharing both with the in-house team as well as the external world. And definitely there will be a lot of enrichment for everyone. Thanks.
Thank you so much, sir, for your great insights. Stay tuned to AT Legal social media platforms to know more about this event.